All right. Mom's making some masa cevada sweetbread. Got the oven warming up to 350. So this is 5 pounds? You gonna make 5 more?
É porque vou usar uma a cada maneja. O ano passado ia me esquecer como foi, e daí este ano um reino. E agora vou dar outra vez reino. Muita gente gosta de reino, porque o tubo dá mais trabalho. Acho que é um reino muito comprar, porque isto é pouco. E vou dar um ao homem, porque ele diz sempre que a minha massa cevada é boa. E comprar talvez uma garrafinha de vinho de Porto, que hoje ali. Ela às vezes me ajuda também.
It's been 15 minutes. They're already browning on top. Temperature 350. And I have them in there for 20 minutes. It's 15. I'm going to check them. Usually she says she likes to leave them a half hour, but we're going to check them at the 20-minute mark. And then we're going to put these last 3 in. Okay. Got the next 3. The first batch was 350, 20 minutes. All right, guys. Here it is. The Portuguese masa cevada, better known as sweetbread. It's perfect. It came out so good. This is my second slice. It's so good when it just comes out of the oven and you just put a little bit more butter on it. Yum. So tomorrow we're going to make 5 more pounds. Total of 10. And we'll be giving it out to friends and family. All right. We'll see you guys soon. All right, second day. Mom wanted to make 5 more pounds. These came out real nice. There's a nice color, huh? Look at that. Segura no ar pra gente ver depois. Let's see the color. Let's see. A cor tá nice, huh? I like it. Yep, looks good. Yeah, that's good. All right, we're done.